the more and more I hear about the stuff that they are sharing about this trial and what's supposed to be RICO and what's supposed to be sex trafficking, and I thought to myself, I have been involved in sex trafficking and prostitution because I've been to a good share of birthday parties, baby showers, bridal shower parties in Vegas and other states where sex workers, excuse me, male exotic dancers were hired and then tipped. And then I was in the room when a few women on different occasions took a few of these men into the back area of the suite that we had, and we know that some form of sexual activity was being done. And most of the time, I just have to be honest about this part. I'm not trying to judge anyone. I just can only speak my truth. Always the big girls who were like basically spending their mortgage on these exotic dancers. And then it would end up at some point with them going to another area of the suite, one of the little back junior suite areas. And we know that some sexual activity was taking place. We could either hear it, okay, or we just knew from the amount of time it took them to come from back in that room that something had happened. And I'm thinking based off of the definitions and some of the quote unquote evidence and testimony that the state is bringing into this trial, I definitely was around some sex trafficking and some prostitution. I surely was. And like I told you, I've worked for several different multimillionaires, and some of the things they had me covering up and moving around for them, I definitely was their KK. I was involved in some enterprise shit. I just thought I was working in a legitimate, very popular industry. And then I would this and this wasn't when I was working in the entertainment industry. I'm like, wow. Well, you guys, you just never know. I think at this point the moral of the story is read your job descriptions. You might be working in an enterprise and not even know that your ass could end up, which I don't, in a RICO case unbeknownst to you. You just doing your job. You just trying to go above and beyond. You just trying to be that extra, you know, about it employee, just trying to make sure that you're exceeding the expectations of your employer, and you could be involved in some criminal shit and not even know it. How about that? Well, you guys, that's all I got to say about this topic for now. And until next time, you guys continue to have the conversation down in the comments on toohotforyoutube.com. And I'm out.